Am I imagining it, or has that gone down a bit? Yeah, that's gone down. It's not big, but I found him just at the top there. While I'm at it, have a look at this weird tube before I throw it away. Chunky here, skinny here, and the valve tries to sit on the outside. Oh, so easy. Easiest one ever. Oh my gosh. What is the point? It's not like I wasn't warned. My host family told me to expect cobbles. Oh, I have to come back down this cobbled hill on my way to Zefad. So I might as well leave Gibbo there. There's no point dragging us both up here. This is the house and laboratory of Gideon Mer, who was big in the eradication of malaria and also in the British Army, but a double agent for the Haganah.
This is the proto bug spray, essentially. And so a lot of the generations here in Israel specifically remember this device. Yeah. And it was also spread around the empire. This was his secret weapons cache where he kept weapons hidden.
So far so good. Sweaty, but not too steep. I'm almost back at the Sea of Galilee. I arrived in the south, came along the west coast, around the north, and then from the east went upwards, all the way up to Golan Heights. Shalom. Shabbat shalom. Gorgeous. I'm told it's a Khan. This architecture I associate with Persian mosques, but then there's Arabic above the door. Check it out. How cool are these toilets? Here, I read, was an Ottoman era mosque. These graves, I read, are Kabbalist, and then this is Mount Meron, where I hope to camp near the bottom of tonight. very much Shabbat here right now. At least I managed to get food ahead of time on this occasion. Shabbat shalom. Another very nice looking free camp. Water, picnic tables. Okay, this is where I live tonight. I am camping at the weekend again, but this place seems a little bit more chill, just down from the tomb, than the party atmosphere over at the Sea of Galilee last week. The plus side, I remembered it's Shabbat and planned ahead. On the not so plus side, it's just pot couscous and a can of tuna, but it's healthy enough and I'll get something more exciting tomorrow.